How's it going? I'm John and I go by the artist name Chamberlain, and I'm here to just run through my first sample pack, Alchemy. It's out now on all major sample shops. So yeah, let's get right into it. So first I have rendered out a bunch of bass sounds for you. Next up I have some bonus loops in here of just some pads and some instrument things I've created. Drum loops I've created. Claps I've made. I really like really snappy claps, so yeah, I've created a bunch of these, laid with some Foley sounds and stuff. Next up I've got some crashes. I didn't go mental on the hats, we've all got millions of them, so not hats, sorry, like cymbals in general, but made a bunch of drum fills. Actual hats. Bass heavy kicks, so I always use bass heavy kicks that I've made. Percussion that I've made. Percussion loops also. Ride cymbals, snares, which I find so important, having good snares that can cut through. Glitch effects, which I obviously use a bunch. Impact sounds. Just some riser sounds. Some sub effects. And finally some vocal chops. Anyway, go check it out. It's out now. Look forward to seeing you all soon.